Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will doodle an owl. We began with the head and the ear-like feathers. Now let's do the eyes. Don't look for too much detail, just mainly to the general shapes and the pupils. We all can doodle and we all should, because it is very beneficial. For an artist, doing this every morning can really help you loosen up your hand and making your drawings look more alive. But it is not only good for artists. Recent research shows many benefits for everyone. For example, doodling a few minutes every day can help you free up short and long-term memory, so your memory will improve. This includes the general retention of ideas and concepts. It may also increase your attention span. By the way, I drew a trunk or a base where the owl stands, and these are the claws. And I was saying doodling can also improve your focus and concentration. But that is not all. Experts also found that doodling reduces stress hormones in your body, promoting calmness and relaxation, which in turn can help relieve a number of illnesses. To me, doodling makes me relax and feel happy. I love doing it. In case you are interested in knowing all the benefits, I'm placing the link to the book The Doodle Revolution down in the information below the video. And I will doodle a little bit more, especially the right side of the owl, to give the illusion of shade and that the light is coming from the left. In Greek mythology, a little owl usually accompanies the goddess Athena, the goddess of wisdom. And because of such association, this bird has been used as a symbol of knowledge, wisdom, perspicacity, and erudition, especially in the Western world. I find that in the Greek mythology really inspiring, and maybe soon I will make a drawing of Athena with the owl. Would you like that? Would you like that I record that and make it into a tutorial? Please let me know in the comments. And to end, let's paint his eyes yellow. Why not? It is always good to experiment and try new things. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe to find our tips. Let me know what else would you like to see tutorials about, and I will see you on Tuesday.